Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on Unit 6, Lesson 4, and we are going to identify 5 different spellings for the S sound, and we're also going to start planning our own personal narrative, our own stories. Okay, so again, today we're working with the S sound, like in the word sit, and let's look at the different spellings we've learned for the S sound. So first, we learned this spelling letter S back in kindergarten. We know that this letter makes the S sound. But we've also learned that sometimes 2 S's come together, that double S. And when these 2 S's come together, it still makes the S sound, like at the end of the word dress. This week we learned a third way to write the S sound. We learned that we can write the S sound using the letter C, like in the word scent. Okay, so now let's get into 2 more ways that you can write this sound. So you can also write the S sound with the letters C and E together. Well, now, if you look at the bar, it's really small. That means that we usually don't write words with the S sound with the letters C and E, but sometimes we do, like at the end of the word prince. We can also write this sound with the letters S-E. Now again, the bar is very small for this spelling. That means that we don't usually read and write words with this sound with these 2 letters, but sometimes we do, like at the end of the word rinse. Okay, so again, just to review, we can write the S sound with the letter S, with the double S, with the letter C, with the letters C-E, and with the letters S-E. We usually write the S sound with the letter S, like in the words sit and sun. Sometimes we write the S sound with the double S, like in the words dress and kiss. Other times we write the S sound with the letter C, like in the word scent or sell. And our 2 new ways that we learned to write the S sound today are with the S-E, like in the word rinse or horse, or with C-E, like in the word prince or dance. Okay, so now it's your turn to practice writing the S sound these different ways on Class Kick. So you can go ahead and pause here and complete worksheet 4.1. All right, moving right along. So again, we've been working on the writing process. Yesterday, we made a plan of what we wanted to write about. Today, we are going to we're going to continue planning using a special planning page. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to take the event that you want to write about, that you want to write a story about. You wrote that down yesterday, and you are now going to start breaking that event down and writing about the different parts of your story. So when you think of your particular event, you're going to write who was there, where did it happen, when did it happen, what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. And also you're going to explain why. Why did this happen and why was the event important? So again, using one of the ideas that you wrote down in Class Kick, you're going to go ahead and break that event down so that we can start writing about our event tomorrow. And you can find that worksheet 4.3 through Class Kick and go ahead and get started.